My name is Benjamin Fuca, and I'm the managing director of 4K Fucabau. We specialize in skylight glazing and installation, and have been working with LAMILUX for over 10 years now. We were invited to the BAU trade fair by LAMILUX because their modular glass skylight MS78 was to be presented there. We went there to have a look at it and thought it was a really good product. By chance, we had one of our first suitable projects, so we made the easy decision to say, let's give it a try relatively quickly. And that's how the project started for us. We are open to new approaches, and that's how the planning began. The first drafts had been made. We sent over the initial construction drawing and moved forwards from there. The MS78 is much easier and quicker to assemble, as I followed the rules for the construction. All items are delivered in finished modules and are simply screwed together on the construction site, which, of course, saves a lot of time. All while remaining a high-quality product, as you would expect from LAMILUX. Particularly in terms of sheet thickness, paintwork, and quality in general. I think it's a very high-quality product. That's what we wrote on our banner, and that was my slogan, daylight for everyone. And that's what it should be. At some point, we'll try to somehow provide daylight to private residential buildings as well as to the large industry, because it's simply a very healthy way to work or live. The bad thing is that it really is the truth. It really is like that. This team is great.